Penny Pins and Vasella, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, it, so like it, comment, happy Saturday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Anyway, guys, let's get to the story today. For those who don't know, Mangwabe has a firstborn. His name is Simphiwe Ngwabe. So today it was his graduation in Ngwabe Pumulani Simphiwe Cyril Diploma Information Technology. Halala, congratulations, Simphiwe keeps on shining, young man. So he took to Instagram to post this a few pictures. You can say Mangwabe, she's smiling, she's a proud mother. On the other side, it is Mangwabe's mother. We have seen her on Utanone's temple giving Mangwabe advice. So there was a time where people were saying that Mangwabe is hiding his son because we have never seen him on Utanone's temple or Izingani's temple, guys. And people were blaming Musam Saleko, saying that Musam Saleko does not want to have a relationship with Simphiwe Ngwabe. One thing about Simphiwe, we can say that he is a focused young man. Hopefully he get a job. For those who don't know, also Mangwabe is a nurse. So one thing about education, they really take education serious in this family, guys. They are so focused. They believe that in order for you to do something else, you need to get that degree or diploma, guys. So once more, congratulations to him. Wish him nothing the best. Anyway, guys, a happy Saturday. Please, like, what are you doing, guys? You know, what are you doing? Please, wherever you are, please be safe. Anyway, bye.